Dr. John Palmour graduated from Raleigh's Broughton High School, then NC State, earning a Ph.D. in materials science and engineering. In grad school, Palmour developed a way to synthesize the semiconductor silicon carbide in a lab. Soon after, he co-founded the LED lighting company Cree, now the prominent tech company Wolfspeed. As a businessman, Palmour collaborated with NC State engineering faculty and students and endowed scholarships. And after his death, Wolfspeed announced a new scholarship and professorship in Palmour's honor. His family and friends believe these gifts to his beloved alma mater will honor his commitment to education and his legacy of innovation.
John's first word, interestingly, was light. I can remember him sitting at the kitchen table and pointing up to the overhead light and going, "Yite, yite."
JP looked at me and he said, I've got a question for you. I said, what's that? He said, what color? I said, what color what? And he said, what color jersey do you root for? And apparently in the Triangle area, that's kind of a thing here. It's either Duke or NC State or Carolina Blue and this whole thing. And I wasn't aware of this whole thing. And so I looked at him and I said, well, I don't know which color, but I typically root for the underdog. And he jumped up out of his chair and he goes, NC State.
He definitely worked a lot. He spent a lot of time at work. But when he was at work, he was all in at work. And when he got home, he was all in at home. So that's how he did it.
John's legacy is silicon carbide power semiconductors.
Oh my God. He was the silicon carbide champion of the world.
I think his legacy is very, very broad.
Do I consider John a modern day Thomas Edison? I think in some ways, yes, because look what's happening.
He was just so humble. Even when he got inducted into the National Academy of Engineering, he was like, no way. Who nominated me for this? Are you sure they got the right person?
He had an app on his phone, Find Your Phone, and so it would alert me when he left work. So I always loved hearing that tone and looking at my phone and just watching his phone get closer and closer to mine at home and getting excited about him. And then another tone when he arrived. And that's something that I'm really going to miss. I'll just miss him coming home.
But the one lesson I think I finally got after he passed away is don't waste time. Life is short. Life can be short.
Be brave, believe in something, and convince others to believe in it with you.